Hello and hi everyone, my name is Markdown, and first and foremost I would like to thank the CS50 teams for such a wonderful online courses. This time around I will talk and present about the project 1, the Wiki. For the entry pages we have the URL wiki / the title. We have wiki / title for each entries, and then if the title is wrong, the path is cannot identified, we have the error pages that stated the request page was not found. The index pages. Okay, for the index page we have all pages here, and user can click each of these that directly go to the entry pages. For the search one, we can search for the entry. If it's matched one of these, it will directly go to the entry pages, and if it doesn't, it will list out all the similar entry for the pages like this Python. Then for the new pages, we can create new pages. We put this Armageddon, then title here, we put a brand gaming, then we save. That's the Armageddon entry pages. And then next, if we create the same entry, the CSS before, and then it will state the page already exists. Okay, we can edit the page. We can put here the Markdown, then we put here the bold one, put text, and that's the we edited the entry, and then we will directly go back to the entry. Random pages, we go to random pages entry here. For the last setting, I use the Markdown 2 to convert my Markdown to HTML. And I think that's all from me. Thank you.